Rural development concept and meaning. Development. Development implies an overall positive change in the physical quality of life. This positive change for better encompasses economic as well as social aspect. Therefore, development not only calls for economic growth but also the equitable distribution of the gains made from economic growth. In other words, development implies growth with justice. It means an improvement in the quality of life through better health, education, housing, and welfare. Before going to the main topic, that is the rural development, we must think and know about the characteristics of underdevelopment. So, the characteristics of underdevelopment are mass poverty, low levels of income and concentration of income in a few hands, low levels of productivity and backward technology, high levels of unemployment and underemployment, poor nutrition, health, housing, literacy, and welfare status, lower status of women. What is rural development? The Rural Development Sector Policy paper of the World Bank observed that rural development is a strategy designed to improve the economic and social life of a specific group of people, the rural poor. Again, a World Bank publication defines rural development as improving the living standard of the masses of the low-income population residing in the rural areas, making the process of rural development self-sustaining. According to Robert Chambers, rural development is a strategy to enable a specific group of people, poor rural women and men, to gain for themselves and their children more of what they want and need. It involves helping the poorest among those who seek a livelihood in the rural areas to demand and control more of the benefits of the rural development. The group includes small-scale farmers, tenants, and the landless. Thus, the term rural development may be used to imply any one of the above-mentioned connotations. The void infective ponding among the myriad definitions, we shall define rural development as a process of leading to sustainable improvement in the quality of life of rural people, especially the poor. Objectives of rural development: to improve the living standard by providing food, shelter, clothing, employment, education; to increase productivity in rural areas and reduce poverty; to involve people in planning and development through participation in decision making and through decentralization of administration; to ensure distributive justice and equitization of opportunities in the society. Problems in rural development. In 21st century, even today there are so many villages that do not have electricity supply. Now also, many people using primitive method of cooking, living and farming, and they have trust on these methods only. By this primitive cook stove, around 3 lakh deaths per year takes due to the pollution. 54% of the India's population is below 25 years, and most of them live in rural areas with very little employment opportunity. Education is the major problem in rural development program. The poor extension linkage causes slow growth of rural development. Untrained, unskilled, inexperienced staff in extension linkage cannot provide satisfactory help to the rural people. Everyone want to go to the cities, so that rural people remains as ignored part by the policy makers also. Privatization concept is useful for rural development, but government not paying much attention to this is another aspect. Thank you.